Hi and welcome to the video training of HTML5 Canvas. In this video training we will be looking at the basics of HTML5 Canvas object. Okay, first things first. We will be creating the HTML page for your drawing. The first thing you need is an HTML page where you can add a canvas element. Here's the code for a basic HTML page. So let's get started. I'm going to go on the terminal, and here we will be using Sublime text editor and going into my personal projects folder, and within those personal projects folder I have HTML. Let's create a folder called HTML5 and HTML5, and within HTML5 I'm going to create a folder called canvas, and let's go into canvas, and here we are going to create a file called index.html. so it will be just a simple HTML file, but it will have this structure, basic structure. This is the basic structure, or you can say a boilerplate for any HTML web page. HTML, and here we are going to give a language type equals English US. Okay, now the head part, we don't need the meta tags for now, but we can give title our drawing canvas. Okay, title is gone, we need head, and we need body. That is the most important part of the doc HTML, and here we are going to say h1 HTML5 canvas. Now let's save this file. Let me change the permissions of this folder. Okay, now we can save it, and I'm going to save it in HTML5 canvas.html. Let's save. Now I can run this file from here, home, personal projects, HTML5 and canvas.html. so this runs as like this, but I'm going to open it in Chrome. Okay. So you don't see anything, you don't see the h1 tag here because the canvas reloaded and we haven't closed the tags. I'm sorry. Save the file again, and you have HTML5 canvas. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, yeah, so adding the canvas element, it's very straightforward to add a canvas element to any HTML page. The element should be placed where you want it to show up in the browser. Your HTML template will look like this after the canvas element has been added. So here we are going to add a canvas ID, my canvas width 400, height 400, and sorry, your browser does not support canvas element, you're missing out. So let's create a canvas element here, canvas ID, and I have to say my canvas width 400, height 400, and sorry, your browser doesn't support canvas. Okay, canvas, select close, save the file, go to the browser and refresh. Okay, we don't see that canvas, but the canvas is there, and its borders are white and the background is white, that's why we cannot see it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add some CSS to our canvas object, and we can declare that within the head element using the style tag. So here we say canvas and background color is light gray. Okay, and border is 5 pixel solid dark blue. Okay, save the file, go to the browser and refresh, as now you can see the canvas object, 400 width and 400 length. So we have a square here basically. Let's move on to next step, adding a script to work with the canvas. Now I'm going to add some JavaScript to do some magic. So right below the canvas tag we are going to declare the script tag, and within the script tag we are going to define the canvas variable which stores an object of our canvas. Here I'm going to give the ID my canvas. Okay, so canvas have the canvas object. Now we are going to the context variable and we are going to get the graph of the canvas object. Let's save it. Now we have access to the canvas object, but we are not doing anything yet. Okay, now we are going to draw a line. Drawing on the canvas involves using methods and properties of the context of the canvas to tell the browser what to do. There are many methods and properties available, but for this article we will only look at the few needed to draw a simple line on the canvas. To draw a line, we have to tell the canvas where to start it and how long to make it. We also need to instruct the browser to draw the line. Here's the updated code. So in JavaScript, we are going to add some more code. We are going to say context.move to 100 by 100. That's X and Y position, and context dot line to 150 y 150. This is also X and Y values. And context dot stroke means to actually draw the dimensions. Let's save the file and run it again. We don't see anything yet because I think this is my canvas. Let's check that out. Okay, we don't see anything yet here, so let's move on to next screen, and here we have this thing. Okay, refresh the browser and you can see we have drawn a line and it's working for us now. So the next step is to basically go ahead and just a second, start from inside. Okay, the next step is to draw some useful objects. So we will be working with shapes. So let's draw some border here. Let's clear this up. So water is context dot begin path, and then we have context dot move to 0,300. Then we have context dot line to 400 by 300, and then we have context dot stroke. save the file and let's see the results in the browser. So you see a straight line from left to right covering the whole area. So okay, now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to create a sale. So context dot begin path context dot move to, and here we are going to say 155 by 150. Okay, then we have context dot line to 220 to 270, context dot line to 90 by 270, and context dot line to 155 by 150, context dot stroke. So let's save the file and view the results in the browser. We have a triangle now. Great. Okay, after that we have a burgie. So let's draw the burgie as well. That's the last part in our program. Context dot begin path, context dot line to, and here we are going from 145 110, and we have 145 140, 145 140, and context dot line to 110 125, context dot close path, and context dot stroke. Let's save this file and view the result in the browser. So we have a smaller rectangle there. This is the burgie here. Okay, so we are done with our code here, and don't worry about the code. I'll be uploading this file, this is HTML, to the GitHub repository. You can download it from there and practice in your own browser. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. You can reach out to me if you need any assistance. I'll be more than happy to reply back. Thanks. My email address is usman@techweber.com. Thank you very much.